What's up, guys? Mario here. Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be like a cutoff to an older video because I recorded a video of the Z in its final form before I sold it, and this is that video. I wasn't gonna post this video, but I decided that I wanted to show you guys how the car looked before it got sold. Now I'm on to a different project. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys the new car that I bought. So stay tuned for that. Let's just jump right into this video. Enough of me talking. I know you guys want to see it. We're in traffic right now, so I'll see you guys when we get to the shop.
Eventually.
Press it again. Okay. Oh yeah. Still looking good though. Right. But we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take all these headlights. You can see these headlights are clapped. And I know some of you guys are gonna say, yeah, you could sand this down and get it back shining, but everything that you're seeing right now is from the inside. Especially on this side, it's very bad. So we have to change these headlights. So I'm gonna go take the new headlights out of the car and show you guys what they look like. So we got this big ass box. This is what they delivered the headlights in. Let me get this out of the car. Yeah, I like the knife.
Oh, what?
Let's cut this shit open.
Oh, you just scratched the headlights.
Oh, chill, don't say that. Oh, they're protected.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That man.
Damn, I cut that shit. Hey, yo.
Let's see.
Moment of truth. Ooh.
Fresh. Oh, whoa.
What happened? Nah, it's a plastic.
Nah, they scratch your shit.
Damn. How do it's in foam?
That's what I'm saying.
What's this? Yeah, we don't need that.
No, we don't know. We figure it out.
It looks good though.
We could buff it. Hell yeah, this thing look nice. This is the HIDs?
Yes, sir.
Oh, and you got the LED. This is an LED strip. Seems like it's LED.
It's a reflector.
Nah, it's a light.
Does it light up?
No.
I don't think it lights up. I don't think the ones on the car right now lights up, and it's the same shit.
Oh, nice. It come with bulbs already.
Does it have the ballast on it?
No ballast.
Oh, we're gonna have to swap the ballast over. Looks fresh though. It's definitely gonna give the car a whole new look. Compare that to this. That is horrible, bro.
Oh no.
It's gonna bring the car up so much better. It's gonna look brand new, no cap.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's get to business. All right, so we got the bolts out. Not the bolts, the clips out for the bumper. Now we just gotta take the fender liner off. But these wheels are too big. I can't even get to that screw right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the wheels off, and then we're gonna get to all of that good stuff. So let's take the wheels off and get the fender liner out so we can take this janky ass headlight out. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, W Gerald.
Off the old and in with the new.
Alright, so there's one bolt right there to take the headlight off. There's another bolt at the side right here. There's one right there. And then there's another one tucked underneath here, under there. So yeah, there's 4 bolts for it. Yep, 4 bolts for it. So yeah, if you want to take the lights off, that's how you do it. So now we're gonna take this light out and put the new one in, test it, and see where we go from there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take the headlights off, and only 2 of the bolts survived. So let's take this light out. I'm literally tired of looking at shit, so let's get them out.
Alright guys. We got this. We got this.
Bro, this should have just snapped out, bro. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. After 30 minutes of struggling, we got it. We got it. I don't even know how you see at nighttime driving with this thing.
Yeah, it's hard, especially with the 10. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how the new headlight look compared to the old headlights. Yeah, this is crap. This is good.
Oh yeah, that thing looks amazing. 100% recommended getting headlights done. If your headlights are looking foggy, just change them. Night and day difference, bro. Night and day.
Alright guys, so before you plan on changing your headlights, one thing you gotta keep in mind, you gotta take out this bulb right here and the freaking connector to it. And that's the only way you're gonna get to use your HID ballast. Alright guys, quick intermission. Got Gerald's Corvette doing some touch-ups on it. Yeah, my boy doing that magic touch to it right now. About to have it looking right. Alright guys, so we got the headlights in, and right now we're just putting the car back together. So I'm gonna finish putting the bumper on, bolting everything up, put the fender guards on, put the wheels on, get it on the floor, and show you guys the finished product. So let's get it. Quick fuck up, bro. Damn, let's start this bumper. I did it.
Yeah, keep on that drop that better.
Okay. Alright guys, so the headlights are in, as you can see. I'm about to throw the wheels on the car, get it on the ground, and show you guys the finished product. Let's get it. Time to drop this thing on the ground. Old headlights are out. New headlights are in. I ripped the plastic off. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Damn, these shit look so good. It looks amazing. Yeah, I'm digging it. No more foggy headlights. The chrome headlights go so well with the chrome wheels. The wheels need a little bit of polish, but yeah, you see what we got going on there. That definitely lightened up the front end of the car. It makes it look brand new again. But we did mess up the freaking bumper. Got a little scratch right there, but we're gonna try to buff that out, make it come back to normal. But definitely a good turnout. I like how it looks. And yeah. Alright guys, so if you're interested in doing the headlights on your car, just send it, do it. It made the car look way better, and yeah, you definitely like the results just as much as I did. So we're gonna give the car a little wash down real quick and call it a day. Alright guys, so I'm probably gonna end the video right here. But for right now, the car's looking good. Headlights did make a huge difference and it looks amazing. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.